a very important concept now. After the relations we are having functions. Okay. So now let's go for a definition part for a function. Now we can say a function is a, now here we can write it, a function is a special type of relation, okay, but I am just writing a relation. A function is a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set a function is a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B such that, now here we are having conditions for it. That's what I told you, a special type of a relation. Okay. Now what it is, such that number 1, all elements of set A is associated with set B, number 1, and number 3, number 2, an element of set A is associated with one and only one element of B. Now a function from A to B is denoted by small f and is written as a function from A to B, like this, or we can have a function from A to B in this manner. Okay. So now in set builder form we can write it, definition for a function from A to B such that now this is the ordered pair, first one, second one, okay, x f x such that x belongs to A and for or f x belongs to B. Okay. Now let me give you a very simple example. Now example, set A, set B, A to B, A, B, again A to B. Okay. Now here we are having, suppose A, B and C, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I am writing one thing, okay, and then now just go for the definition part first. What we have, all elements of set A is associated with the set B. An element of set A is associated with one and only one element of B. It means this part here, A we have used in the set, in this figure, in the first one. Suppose this is figure 1, figure 1, figure 2. Okay, in figure 1, A, we are writing for figure 1, this one, suppose I am writing only one ordered pair, it is A1 and A4. I have written only one. Okay, here we are having A1, B2, C3, D4. Okay, and here A1, A4, then B2, B5, then C3. Now here what we have done, this is the repeated one. Repeated. Okay, A is repeated 2 times, B is repeated 2 times. Therefore, this is not a function. This is not a function. This is a function. Is it clear? So this is the difference. This is a special type of relation. That's why it is a function. Now remember, never you can say when one element of set A is repeated, any of the element is repeated, then it is never a function.